You're looking at the creator and proud owner of a NFT. That's right, I made a NFT of my logo on OpenSea. We're gonna be talking about the process and how simple it really is. I'll admit, this is probably an indicator that it's the top of the market for NFTs, but with my followers' interest in this technology, I wanted to understand the process myself, create an NFT, see how it actually works. Don't worry, I'm not creating an NFT collection in order to dump it on my audience and extract money out of you guys. This is educational around the process. The first thing you have to decide on is which cryptocurrency you want to build an NFT on, because the king is Ethereum. Going back to 2017 with CryptoKitties and the concept of NFTs, that was the first smart contract platform that offered it. Nowadays, you can use Solana, Polkadot, any smart contract blockchain offers the ability to create NFTs on it. Depending on the blockchain that you choose to use, you may pick a different platform. I went ahead with the most popular, the platform that I see referenced the most, OpenSea, to create my first NFT. First step is obviously create an account. Once you have that created, you're going to connect a browser wallet. In this case, MetaMask is a wallet that I use personally and is one of the more popular ones, so we're going to head and use that for the example throughout this video. Once that's complete, we'll click on create, which will pop up a signature request. This doesn't cost any money. You click sign, and now you can get started with creating an item. Most people think of NFTs as digital art or pictures of rocks, when in reality it can be a video, audio, 3D model. It's really easy. You just click, drag and drop the file and upload it. You name it, put in a description. Down here is where you can actually add a second layer of complexity to your NFT. So you can give it properties, you can give it certain levels, stats, and what I think is really cool is this unlockable content. So the NFT can be seen as sort of a ticket or pass for certain content. Once you have all that filled in, you have to decide, do you want a singular copy of this NFT, or are you creating 100 copies, 1,000? That's where you put in the supply number, and here you pick the blockchain between Ethereum and Polygon. When it comes to fees, minting a NFT or creating that NFT doesn't cost anything because of lazy minting. You can also list an NFT for a certain price and you don't pay anything. Really, you're paying gas fees when you're either buying NFTs or there's actually a sale, and a portion of that goes to the website. What it comes down to as a one-time fee though is when you initialize your account so you can list it on Ethereum. When I initially created the NFT on the Ethereum blockchain and went to list it, I was queued to pay a $262 fee in order to initiate my account. Clearly, this is why Polygon or Matic was implemented into the website, and you can create these NFTs on this blockchain because it's much faster and cheaper than launching it on Ethereum, which as of right now, without proof of stake, and it's currently still on proof of work, it's slower and it has higher costs. So I went back and created the same NFT, but instead of launching it on Ethereum, I clicked on Polygon. This time when I went to list the NFT, I was greeted with an unlock currency request as well as a signature, but I didn't pay any gas fees in order to list it. I'm not 100% sure if you need Matic in your MetaMask before you can create an NFT on Matic, but I went ahead and set Matic before I did anything to my MetaMask just in case if there were gas fees. Having some Ethereum and Matic in your MetaMask while doing all of this is probably the move. And after that, I had my first NFT. In my collection, if you go to my username, you'll scroll down, you'll see this NFT. Boom. Main Street Wolf, original logo, selling for 100 Ether. I mean, obviously, this is a joke price. Unless, of course, any of my followers are secretly billionaires and they think it would be funny just to buy the logo just for shits and giggles. If you're anything like me and you hate having something as a duplicate, what happened to the original NFT that was launched on the Ethereum blockchain? There is a way to delete that collection and NFT if you own it completely. To delete a collection, you go to your profile, you click on My Collections, click on the three dots and edit that collection. Scroll all the way to the bottom and there's a Delete Collection button. Once again, that doesn't cost anything, so I went ahead and deleted the old NFT. That way I only have one singular NFT of my original logo. Overall, the process is simple, easy to use. I understand the hype around NFTs a little bit from the influencer side now, because this is like the new merch. You create these NFT collections, there's no shipping, logistics. You can create NFTs for low cost and sell it to your audience. Now, obviously, there are scummy people that are taking advantage of this, whereas I think what's interesting is the utility that it can create, and where I actually see myself potentially using it is as I build out a financial education platform. The NFT could be considered a ticket or a pass to access premium content or access to me. I can think of different ways that the NFT could actually be implemented and integrated in something that has more utility than buying a picture of a stick figure. But if you're wondering, how do I create an NFT? Is it hard? Obviously it's not. Anyone can create it very simply. All you need to do is set up the MetaMask, create an account, and you can create an NFT in under a minute. Now, selling that NFT and making millions off of it, that's a different story. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to hit that like button, as well as consider subscribing to Main Street Wolf, where we talk cryptocurrency investing, anything to do with money. Thanks guys for watching, and have a great day.